Oh, good day, viewers. Kumba. Well, here we are. We've come on the dual cab ute, and we're up in Bright in northern Victoria. It's about the 5th or 6th of January, and we've just found this absolutely great spot in Bright. We'll put the tent up. We've got the Buckland River flowing through. It's deep enough for a swim. We've got the fire ready to go. So it took us about three and a half hours to get up here from Melbourne. We usually come up here every year. And mate Ed does anyway. There's Eddie over there. Go Ed.
How you going, fellas? G'day, fellas.
So here we are, up here for 4 days, 4 nights, 5 days. Absolute ripper day. Not a cloud in the sky. It's pretty good this time of year and Bright. 30 degrees every day. Got plenty of beer, plenty of snacks. And here we are for about 4 or 5 days. You know, 2 weeks ago I was in Chiang Mai in Thailand. Now I'm here, lads, guys, boys and girls. Bright, Victoria. You can catch trout here too. Early morning, late afternoon. Anyway, I'll leave you with that, viewers. Here we are in wonderful Bright. Catch us later.